Alrighty then, yeah, I just have some of those.
Okay, ready to go.
Once again, slow motion.
Okay.
Right. Next one. Hammer on to 2A, open low E. 2B, 3 high E. Open fret, E chord. Top 4 strings only. Flapping the third finger down. E, A, E, A. So we've got twice. Hammer on to 2D and open A. 1B, 2 high E. This is A7, E minor. Same deal, flopping back to 1. Third finger 4D. First finger 2B. And then 2G and open B. Pick on the D string, 2 fingers on the others. Gallop. We'll go D, G, B, D. Twice. Up a fret, back a fret, and simultaneously, and 2D, open, 2A, open, and low E bend and open. Next verse. 2 low E and open. 2 low E, bend and then hit open. 4G, 6D. First finger stays on G, goes down to 1. Second finger takes over 2D. Again. Second fret A and open. Now 6G, 7D. Then we'll go down to the same 2 middle strings on the second fret. Back to the first one. Second finger low E, second fret. Third finger, second fret A. First finger 1D. We'll go low E, A, D, and back to A. Move up a fret, it'll be low E, A, D, and open G. And back where you were. Second fret on the G. Bend up and down, open and back on. G2, open and back. That's the way Scotty more rockabilly off the Elvis records in the old days.